Morning Junior 1, this is answer of homework page number 45. Today we are going to learn lesson 97, follow fraction. Okay, but firstly, the first question here, what? Subtract. Want the meaning of subtract? I will make what? Minus your Junior 1. Okay, here units, tenths, units and tenths. I must start from the units or ones. 2 minus 1 equal what? Here units, tenths. 2 minus 1. I'll close my head and count after 1 up to 2. We'll write 1 in units place. 8 minus 4. Close my hand and count after 4 up to 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 4. My result, 40, 41. Here, your Junior 1, if I have this what? This whole what? Whole rectangle. Whole what? Whole rectangle. It's mean all rectangle. And now I want to what? I want to divide it into 2 equal parts. Remember with me? 2 equal parts, yeah, Junior 1. Can you tell me now, if I want to represent this colored part by fraction, I will write what? Yes, excellent. This is what, yeah, Junior? This is half. Excellent. Why? I will write what? The fraction line. And how many parts? Colored part? 1. I will write 1 up. And the all parts what? 1, 2. So here I will write 2. This is what? Half. Like this. Look here, your Junior 1. In whole 1. How many halves? This is half. And this what too? This is half. Now, how many halves? Here, how many halves, your Junior 1 in whole 1? 1, 2. So here I have what? How many halves in whole 1? 2. And now I have what? I have whole 1, but now I divide it into how many parts? 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you represent the colored part by fraction? Yes, I will write what? The fraction line. How many colored parts? 1. I will write 1 up. And how many all parts? 4. I will write 4 down. Now this fraction is called what? Quarter. Excellent. Now it's mean what? This quarter and this quarter and this quarter and this part what? Represent 2 quarters. Now can you tell me how many quarters in one whole? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's mean what? It's mean 4 quarters in whole 1. So here I will write what? How many quarters in whole 1? Yes, 4 quarters. Here 2 halves. Now I have whole 1, but now I what? I divide it into 3 equal parts. Can you tell me, if I want to represent the colored part here, I will write what? Yes, the fraction line. How many colored parts? 1 up. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3. I will write 3 down. This fraction is called third. Excellent, your Junior 1. It's mean what? This third and this part what? Third. Because this is what? Equal part. This part equal this part equal this part. So every one of them what? Equal third. Can you tell me one whole equal how many third? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Like here. What? How many thirds in whole 1? How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 thirds. The last one here, the Junior 1, I have what? I have whole what? Whole 1, and I divide it into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. But now I want to what? I want to represent to the colored part by fraction. I will what? Write the fraction line and up the number of colored parts. How many colored parts? 1, 2. I will write up 2 and down the number of all parts. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I want to read this fraction, this is what? 2 quarters. Excellent. 2 quarters. Excellent, your junior 1. And look here. What's the difference between the two fractions? Here what are equal, ya junior 1. It's mean what? Half equal what? Equal 2 quarters. Like this. Here 2 quarters equal what? Equal half. The next page. Here, ya junior 1, I have what? Whole 1, whole rectangle, and what? I divide it into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. And now I want to represent to the colored part by what? By fraction. I will write the fraction line. And up I will write what? The number of colored parts. How many colored parts here? 1, 2, 3. Excellent, junior 1, 3. I will write 3 up or down? Up, pay attention. I must write the number of colored parts up. And down I will write what? I will write the number of all parts. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write down 4. This fraction is called what? This fraction? 3 quarters. 3 what? 3 quarters. Look here, ya junior 1. I have what? I have whole 1 or whole rectangle, and I divide it how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want to represent now to the colored part by fraction, firstly I will draw the fraction line, and up I will write what? The number of colored parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down I will write what? The number of all parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. So if I want to read this fraction, 4 quarters. For what? 4 quarters. 4 what? 4 quarters. Okay? And 4 quarters, ya junior 1, equal what? Equal 1. Equal what? Equal 1 whole rectangle. 4 quarters equal what? 1 whole rectangle. Now this question, write the fraction. This is what I will write. Excellent, ya junior 1. This is excellent half. I will write the fraction line, and up the colored part 1, and the number of parts 2. So this is what? Half. And now this is what? The fraction line. How many colored? 1. And the all parts? 4. This is what? Quarter. Here, ya junior 1, I will write the fraction line. How many colored? 1 part. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. But here, how many colored parts? 1. I will write 1 up. And the all parts, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 4 down. This is called what? Quarter. Here, fraction line. The colored part, what? 1. I will write 1 up. And the all parts, 1, 2, 3. I will write 3 down. 3 down. And here, this is called what? Third. And here the next one, I will write what? The fraction line. And now, how many colored parts? 1, 2, I will write 2 up. And down, I will write the number of all parts. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called what? 2 quarters. And now, this is what, ya junior 1. I will write here what? The fraction line. How many colored parts? 4. And the all parts equal 4. So this is what? 4 quarters. The next question, write the fraction by letter. This is what? This is quarter. This what? Yes, excellent. Yeah, junior 1 half. And here, this is what? 2 quarters. And this 4 quarters. And the last fraction here, what? Yes, third. The next page, page number 48, homework. Page number 48, homework.